Yeah, good day everyone. My name is Magicfingermix. Right here, I'm in my studio. You can as well call me Express. Well, there's something I really want to help you through, which I know it has been a trouble for you. Sometimes you want to play sound with your keyboard, with your MIDI keyboard, and you are having this latency, like there's a delay before you actually have the sound. Now I'm going to take you through how you can fix that. First, you want to go to your audio and be sure you're using, if you're using sound card, you should have the sound card there. But if you're using FL Studio ASIO sound, you come to show ASIO panel, then you click on it. You see that you have from 256, 23, 284, 512, 1024 and 2048. So what you should do to be able to return the normal sound as you play should be, you come and you pick the first one, which is the 256. You should have this. Very simple. I know most of you will be asking question, how do I fix this? But this is just a quick one. For me, it works for me, and I believe it's going to work for you also. Amazing God, amazing God, see how you come through for me. Simple. And if you're having multiple channel and your sound is actually hooking up, you have to mute some of the channel that you've already played on, then continue with the one that you've not worked on. Then after everything is being said, you want to mix your sound, you have to come back to the main sound quality, which is 2040, which is 2048. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and also you can as well click on the bell button so you can as well get notified with some of my content that I'm going to be lining up for you. Thank you for watching, and I expect you to be the best. God bless you. Bye bye.